Today we are going to speak to Samir, who is currently pursuing his PGPM program from Great Lake Institute of Management. Hi Samir.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. Can you please tell me about your educational background?
Yeah, so basically I am an engineering graduate and I did my engineering at the Vellore Institute of Technology in Tamil Nadu. And apart from my engineering, I've also done part-time executive programs at the New York University. This was a program in product management. And I've also done some certificate programs in the MIT Sloan School of Business in Massachusetts, United States.
Okay. So please tell me something about your work experience.
I have a total work experience of 6.5 years. While I was in the final year of my engineering at VIT, I was hired on campus by Wipro Technologies, and I've been working there ever since. And during the first 3 years of my experience, I was in Bangalore. I was working out of the Wipro offices in Bangalore, and then I moved to the United States to work on the client side. So where I was mostly responsible for gathering business requirements, talking to customers, and getting the requirements and driving efforts, development efforts at offshore.
So what are your hobbies?
Well, I like to travel a lot, and that is my that's my favorite hobby, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
So where have you traveled to?
Well, I've been to almost all the tourist destinations in the United States, and a lot of places in the Middle East and Europe. The latest trip was to Spain, where I went to Madrid and Barcelona and lived there for a week each. It was a lot of fun. It's a beautiful place.
Okay, and why did you decide to join Great Lakes then?
Well, I had offers from various reputed business schools from all over the world, from the US and Europe. But I decided to join Great Lakes because I was getting the same quality of education and the same exposure at Great Lakes as I would get in any other leading business school around the world, but at almost like 15% of the costs. So that was a big motivator. And when I talk about the quality of education of Great Lakes, it is absolutely at par with the leading institutions around the world. For example, at Great Lakes, we're being taught by professors who are already distinguished professors at Kellogg's and the Harvard Business School. So I don't think, I mean, there are many other institutions in India that would match that. And other than that, the students over here are also very good. I mean, my peers here, that they have got extremely good backgrounds and professional experience, and they're from all over the industry. So it's also a very good opportunity to interact with others and learn from their experiences. So yeah, that is.
Samir, now you have been in Great Lakes for some time. Please tell me about your experience here.
Well, it has been very exciting so far. I've been having a lot of fun, and you don't get more than 6 to 7 hours of sleep. 8 hours of sleep is a luxury, but that's a lot of fun because you wake up throughout the night and then you work hard towards achieving your goals. And it's also very difficult at times where you have two examinations in the same day, and you have a presentation along with that. So it gets difficult, but I think it helps me grow and become stronger, and it helps me develop the ability to manage my stress and my time better. And yeah, I think it's been a wonderful experience. Now it's not just a lot of work, but it also has been a lot of play as well. So for example, we have basketball sessions, sometimes basketball tournaments throughout the night. So that is also a lot of very exciting. It's been a great experience so far.